Hi everybody, welcome back to the vlog. I thought we would start today's video by showing you some new in Christy Dawn dresses. They are re-releasing their $99 Dôen dress. So if you don't know, I think like once a year they make a limited run of $99 versions of their classic Dôen dress, the dress that was the first one they made, the dress that started it all. I think they're unlined, and maybe, I don't know, slightly more simple in the details. They don't have as much intricacies as the original Dôen dress, but that's obviously what makes them $99. So if you want to dip your toe into Christy Dawn, but you don't normally spend the kind of $300, $400 on a dress that most Christy Dawn dresses are, they could be a great place to start. And I have 3 to show you. I am working with them on Instagram to show some of the different colours and patterns they have. And I have 3, they sent me 3, so I thought I would show you. I think there's about 6 or 7 in total, and I have 3 of the prints. I've never tried the Dôen dress before, so it's new to me as well. So I thought we would try them on and I can show you what's in stock, what's in store, sorry. So when, I think this video is coming out on Monday, and then the dresses are releasing on Tuesday. So you can have a little bit of a heads up, a sneak peek. I'm not sure I'm supposed to be doing this, but they won't find out. But yeah, you can have a little bit of a sneak peek as to what's to come in case you're interested, because I do think they sell out pretty quickly because it's a limited run. So as I said, I've got 3 different prints. I've never tried the Dôen before. I went with a size large because I wanted it to be quite relaxed, and I can show you what the fit is. So I've got I don't know what the prints are called, but they will be linked down below. This dark blue, this is my favourite, I think. It's got blueberries on it. 2 of them are blueberry prints. This one here, they are slightly sheer, so you might want to get a slip to wear underneath. Then I have this pretty lighter one. This is a pink and red little floral number. This is probably the most sheer. The 2 light ones are definitely, you would need a slip. The dark one, I don't think you would. And then the final one is this light blueberry print. So similar print to the darker one, but on a white background. Cream blueberry, that's called. Okay, this is the darker blueberry one. I really like this actually. I've never tried the Dôen because it's not my favourite silhouette, or at least I didn't think it would be. But actually for a really casual dress, just for wearing at home, running errands, that kind of thing, actually works really nicely. I'm pleasantly surprised. It's got pockets. It's got a drawstring waist that you can wear completely loose. So it's actually quite nice if you're just at home to have this kind of completely loose or very loosely tied. So it's really kind of quite loose, quite baggy, but really comfortable. And then if you do want to cinch it, you obviously can do that as well. I would probably just cinch it in slightly. You've got a little popper button here. So if I show you, there you go. So you have some security there, which is quite nice actually, because again, it is more of like a casual dress. You don't want it to be too low or too, it's not, you know, it's not super dressy, so you don't really need a low neckline. Then it's got a little short sleeve, and it is slightly shorter than some of their other dresses. I would say it stops just kind of halfway down a little bit lower than halfway down my calf. I don't think you can quite see, can you? From where I've put the camera, I'm not sure, but you can see the pictures online. It's kind of in between a midi and a maxi. I like it. This is the size large on me. Definitely I have a lot of room, but I like it like that. I don't think I'd want to size down because it's really comfortable. And again, I would be primarily wearing this just very casually. So yeah, really cute, really surprised. I'll try the others on as well. Next up is the cream blueberry. I was going to say strawberry for some reason. Cream blueberry. Again, really nice. I do like the darker colour more, I think, but if you like your light colours, it's very similar. You've got the blueberries, exactly the same. They're all the same design. So you've got the little popper here. So this is nice and secure. The drawstring waist, cap sleeve, and then midi length and pockets. Very pretty. And the final one, this is called Dogwood Meadow. I just looked at the label. So that is the pattern. It's a pink, red, kind of ditzy floral, very classically Christy Dawn, and exactly the same. Has the pockets, has the tie waist. Really like this one as well, actually. I'll leave these linked down below. As I said, they're coming out tomorrow, so I'll leave just the Christy Dawn website linked down below, and do check them. Check the website tomorrow if you're interested, because they will go quickly. I do normally have a discount code with Christy Dawn. I think it's KL10, which will get you 10% off most of their site, but it doesn't work on the $99 dresses because obviously they're a cheaper price point. They don't want to discount them any further. But if you like any of their other styles, then my discount code will work on those. But I like these. I think they're a nice introductory piece to the brand. If you've been wanting to dip your toe, but you don't quite want to commit to a $300 dress straight out the gate, then this is a nice way to kind of get a feel for the brand, see if you like the style, the aesthetic, the patterns, see what they're like quality wise. I mean, they're not as high quality as the more expensive ones because they're designed to be a little bit cheaper, more entry level, but they're still really nice. They're still breathable cotton. They're actually perfect for summer because they're super lightweight. You just might need a slip under the lighter ones, but you'll be completely fine with the darker patterns. I think they've got a dark red one coming out as well, which probably isn't sheer also. So if you don't want to bother with a slip, just go for the darker colours and you'll probably be fine. Clevedon. I'm going to show you around. I'm going to go for a little wander. There's a really nice high street here with a couple of like independent shops and cafes. So I think I'm going to grab myself a drink, maybe a cake, and then there's a homeware shop that I like to look in. I'll go and browse in there, and a bookshop as well, although I don't need any more books because I'm still only halfway through my 3rd or 4th book of the year. Not doing very well with reading this year. But then once I've done that, once I've been on my walk, I'm going to pop to a DIY store. There's a really good DIY store here that sells everything you could ever want, which is quite ideal because I've been ordering loads of stuff online, and then now I realise this DIY store is so local. I can go there and pop and get pretty much anything I want. So that's what I'm going to do. I need more primer for the wardrobes. We are well underway painting the wardrobes, but we've run out of primer. So I need to get a big thing of that, and probably a few more paintbrushes because it's a shellac based primer. It just completely destroys your paintbrushes. So I'm going to go do that, and then we can crack on with the DIY. The artwork for my room just arrived. I've just unboxed it, so I'm going to show you. It is so beautiful. I will put the name of the artist on screen, but this is it. It's called Breakfast Brunch, part of her 2026 collection. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the colours. This is very me, this colour palette. And yeah, I'm going to put it up in here. I'm so pleased with it. It came with this gorgeous wooden frame. My Dôen sale order just arrived, so thought we would unbox it together. I just got 2 dresses. The prices in the UK are so much more than the US. It's crazy. Like when they discount the stuff in the US, something can be like $150, and in the UK it's like £300. So that's kind of annoying, but I did still order 2 things. The one good thing is I ordered this on Tuesday evening, I think about 5 p.m. in the UK, and it is here. It's arrived Thursday midday. So less than 48 hours from LA is quite impressive. Okay, I'm going to open this one first. This is the Serafina dress. So this is actually like the long sleeved version of a dress. I think it's called the Quinette dress that I got on Vinted recently, in pink. This is like the same dress but in blue with long sleeves. So, and this one was actually quite cheap, even on the UK website. I think it was 140, which for a Dôen dress is pretty good. This will probably be like, I don't think they've got the prices on, but probably like 300 to 350 full price. So yeah, just a long sleeve maxi dress. Hopefully it won't be too see-through. We'll see. I'll try them on in a second. And then the second one I got, this is one that's been on my wish list for quite a while. This one was not that discounted in the UK, but to be honest, I was thinking about buying it full price anyway, so I thought I may as well buy it with a slight discount. And because it's the Ischia, which is the dress I'm wearing now, I know my size, I know it will fit, so I don't have to worry about it being final sale. So let's have a look. It's the Ischia that came out this kind of spring season, the white one with the blue polka dots. And I've heard that this one is lined. Although, yeah, okay, it is lined, but it still looks quite sheer, even though it's lined. So we will see. I'll have to wear a slip maybe, but love the Ischia. It is by far my favourite silhouette from Dôen. And I thought I just wear them every year now, so why not get another one at a little bit of a discount? And yeah, it is really pretty. And as I said, I've been umming and ahhing about buying this one for months, so I thought, why not? I'll try them on. Okay, it needs a bit of a seam, but very happy with this. Knew I would be. It's actually not see-through on the bottom, I don't think. No, I think it's fine on the bottom, but it is a little bit see-through up top, but that's less of an issue, I feel like. So yeah, really like it. I actually don't have, I mean, this isn't pure white, but I don't have like a very neutral one. I have more colourful and patterned ones. So I quite like that this is a little bit more neutral, even though it does have the blue polka dot. Okay, this one is a yes. Let me try on the Serafina now. This one is lovely too. I really like this one actually. I love the bodice on this. I think it's so pretty. I do think if you have a large chest, you might struggle because I don't, and I feel like it only just gives me enough coverage. So something to bear in mind, but I really love the neckline. I think it's so pretty. Yeah, it's really nice and nice to have a different sleeve option compared to the shorter sleeves. This one is like a bracelet sleeve, really, really nice, and then kind of goes down similar to some of the other Dôen dresses. So pleased with those two. I'm glad I didn't go too crazy because like I said, the discounts in the UK were not that good, but I got some pieces, at least the Ischia that was on my wish list, and then this was quite affordable for Dôen. So yes, let me know if you've got anything in the Dôen sale. I'd love to know. If you're in the US, I'm very jealous because I feel like you had some really good deals and I would have gone way more crazy if I lived in the US. Paint for the bedroom has arrived. I got 1 litre of the eggshell for the wardrobes. Don't know if that's going to be enough. Might need to order another litre, but I thought I would give it, I would see how we go so I don't overspend. And then 5 litres for the walls. I'm really tempted to whack out the paintbrush and just paint one wall to see what it looks like. It's a little bit naughty. I don't know if I should be doing this, but I do have all of my paint supplies here, so I feel like I'm just going to paint the back wall. It's relatively simple. I don't really need to do any prep, just tape around some plugs, so why not? Let's give it a go. feel like this video is just me unboxing random parcels. But after kind of stalling with the decorating, I wanted to just kind of get on and order stuff that I've been meaning to order because I kind of know what I want. I don't know, I've been putting off making the final decisions. So I ordered just like a mini rug for the kitchen from Ruggable. They do like washable rugs. So this one is actually quite small. So I think we'll be able to put this in the washing machine if it does get dirty. But yeah, I just wanted something kind of to add a little bit more pattern and have something. I think I'm going to put it here by the sink so that when you're like washing up at the sink, you've got something a little bit softer under your feet. If I can open the box. We have a Ruggable rug in the conservatory already. Yeah, I quite like their stuff. They do some nice patterns. And they're not too expensive for rugs either, because rugs can get so expensive. This one was actually, I think, a collaboration with Anthropology. It's really cute. It's like a folksy kind of style, and it's got some blue in it. Well, it's mainly blue. So I thought it would go nicely with the blue blind we have above the window as well. I must have measured this wrong because it's way too small. I don't know what happened. I swear I measured this space and it was like the perfect size for this kind of section in the kitchen, but as you can see, it's tiny. It's like a doormat. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, well, that's a fail. I love the pattern. It's really, really cute and pretty. I think it would actually be better the other way around, so the flowers are facing up. But yeah, it's too small. It looks very sad there, so I'm going to have to return that, I think. But maybe I'll see if they've got the bigger size. I'm sure I ordered the bigger size, but I guess not. I'll go and have a check. But yeah, I do really like it. It's way too small.